Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create activity tracker in Jotform table. So you can sign up to Jotform, and then in products you will find Jotform tables. Once you go here, you will find dashboard that looks like this, and here click on create table. Here you can start from scratch, use template or import data. Let's go for start from scratch, and then we will create our activity tracker. Now, considering this is a movement or physical activity, we will be getting rid of default fields, right? So let's say if I delete these 3 fields, I will have to start from scratch. So click on add, then let's choose date. So date and time, click next. Here you can simply type in date, click next. Here you can enable date option, also time option, right? Create column. Next we will add activity, which is going to be short text. You can also go back and choose a single selection or multiple selections. So let's go there and see activity. So here you can choose, say, jogging, gym, cardio, then walking and others. So we have option to choose those activities, right? Then we will also add, say, a duration. So it should be time duration, right? So number. So type in duration, choose a format, so up to 2 places. Currency is off because this is not a currency, right? So we got duration, then we have a number which is going to be a calorie count. So calories, next, then format, up to 3 decimal point, create column. And finally we can also add a note, so short text and note, so create column on that, right? So now to show you how it works, let me go with adding one of the row here. So we add date, right? So let me first start with adding the day, then hour, say 9 p.m. 4:30 in AM. Let's see, I choose walking, then comes duration for 1 hour, calorie burned, say 200 calorie burn, then notes, walking before office, right? And we got our one of the entry, right? Now we can also add one more entry, say 5th date at 8 o'clock for specific AM PM, right? Then we did gym for duration of 0.30, right? Say 240 calories burned, gym before office, right? So these are some of the way you can track your activity. Apart from that, you can also take a look at form for this table. It will open in new table, tab, and here what we can do, can add our data. So if you want to edit any of the properties, go to form, then edit form, right? So let's say if I choose to add this title at the top, right? So here I will use that, I will use activity tracker, right? Then date, activity, duration, calories and note, right? We can preview this as well, and it will show you the activity tracker, how it looks on form format, right? So basically what we are going to do here is we will be adding our data, and that data will appear within this table. So this is your activity tracker in Jotform table.